Welcome to another video. As you already know, today we're heading out for another island hopping tour in El Nido. The first tour impressed us so much that we decided to do another one, this time Tour B. Our first stop on Tour B is Entalula Beach on Entalula Island, a small crescent of powder white sand framed by dramatic limestone cliffs. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in Backwood Bay, known for its crystal clear waters that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling just a few meters from shore. Despite being a popular stop on the tour, it often feels peaceful and uncrowded, preserving its natural charm. The backdrop of lush rock formations and the vibrant coral reef nearby make this place feel almost untouched, a true tropical escape worth every moment. Just look at how clear the water is here. It's not an exaggeration, it really is this transparent in real life. The colors are almost unreal, and the moment you step in, you immediately understand why this place is so special. Entalula Beach isn't just a beautiful stop, it's been recognized globally. In the 2025 World's 50 Best Beaches rankings, it placed second in the world, and was even crowned the best beach in Asia, thanks to its powder white sand, clear waters, and dramatic limestone backdrop. The list is voted on by travel experts from around the world, and this achievement highlights how special this beach really is. Because Entalula Island is part of El Nido's protected area and has minimal facilities, it feels almost untouched. Peaceful spot where the focus is truly on nature. Dense tropical vegetation surrounds the beach, and thanks to its protected status, the island supports rich marine life just offshore, as well as diverse wildlife on land. It's time to leave this truly beautiful island. And considering this was only the first stop of the day, we're already left speechless.
Okay.
We can definitely confirm the recognition this beach has received, and rightfully so. It's truly a stunning place. Our next stop is Snake Island, also officially known as Vegan Island. It doesn't have anything to do with snakes, but it got its name from the long, winding S-shaped sandbar that stretches out from the island at low tide, looking like a snake in the water. During low tide, you can walk along this sandbar, surrounded by a shallow turquoise sea, which creates a unique experience of walking on water. As soon as we anchored, we set off to explore the island. The water around the sandbar is shallow and calm, perfect for swimming. It's incredibly clear and pristine, making the whole experience really magical. Here you can clearly see why the island is called Snake Island. The long, winding sandbar really does resemble a snake. Walking along it is truly an experience. The surroundings are peaceful, with only a handful of people around, and there's no tourist infrastructure, which only adds to the calm and authentic vibe. But still, the locals do their best to accommodate visitors. For example, as we can see here, a man on his small boat offers refreshments. It's a really nice touch. You can grab a fresh coconut, a soft drink, or even an ice cream. There's also a small viewpoint hike where you can get panoramic views over Backwood Bay and the surrounding islands. Snake Island is part of the classic Tour B route and one of the most iconic places in El Nido's archipelago. As I mentioned, the water here is incredibly clear and full of life. You can see plenty of starfish just beneath the surface, so be careful where you step. But it's easy to spot them in the shallow, transparent water. We spent quite a long time here on this island, meaning there's plenty of time for swimming or even the hike we mentioned earlier. Our crew also prepared lunch for us directly on the boat, so let's dig in. The buffet is very diverse, with lots of fresh fruit, and I'm sure everyone can find something to their taste.
No, questo non è tanta onda.
After a delicious lunch, we have some time to relax even more. As we've noticed, the surroundings here are stunning. The island is surrounded by other islands, creating a unique backdrop. There are also other beaches nearby, pristine and beautiful, just waiting to be explored. Soon, we'll be called back to the boat, as it's time to head out to the next island on our tour. Back on the sea, we're cruising past Cudugnon Beach. This one looks just as stunning and untouched as the others. We're now arriving at our next stop, Hudnion Cave. This isn't just a natural limestone formation carved over millions of years. It's also a place with real history. Archaeologists believe the cave served as a burial site in ancient times, with pottery, jewelry, and even human remains dating back to the Neolithic era found here. That gives this place a fascinating cultural significance beyond the usual beach scenery. To enter, you'll often crawl through a small rock opening, adding a sense of adventure to the experience. Inside, the high cavernous ceilings and rock formations are impressive, and you might even spot bats or birds in the crevices. It's one of the highlights of Tour B, a blend of nature, history, and exploration. As usual in caves, it's noticeably cooler inside, and there's a faint scent from bat droppings. Despite that, the unique rock formations and history of the place make it truly worth a visit. The interior of the cave is quite spacious, but if you're a bit uneasy with tight spaces, you can comfortably wait on the beach right next to it. As you can see, the entrance to the cave is really narrow, so only the brave venture inside. Just a few meters from the cave, we're at Cudugnon Beach, a small, cozy spot with a few picnic shelters for relaxing. There's even a small refreshment stand and a space to play volleyball. It's a perfect little hideaway to unwind after exploring the cave. As we settled into one of the shelters, we noticed a flurry of activity in the trees. A group of macaque monkeys hopping from branch to branch and foraging for food. Apparently quite a few of them live around here, so you might get lucky and spot them too. Besides the playful monkeys, this beach is ideal for snorkeling. The waters right by the shore reveal stunning corals and a rich underwater world, a must-do for anyone exploring the area. Already back on the boat, we can definitely say that this stop was a pleasant and refreshing addition to our tour. Our next, and sadly final stop, is a bit different. It's not really an island or a beach, but a snorkeling site surrounded by tiny islets. The main attraction here is the stunning coral formations, perfect for snorkeling, jumping off the boat, or just enjoying a swim in crystal clear water. This snorkeling site is often called Turtle Garden, a place where the coral reefs here in Baquet Bay come alive with marine life, including sea turtles. El Nido's waters are part of a marine protected area, which helps nature a thriving turtle population. So sightings of gentle green or hawksbill turtles gliding through the reef aren't nothing uncommon if you're lucky. You'll also see a variety of corals and colorful fishes. Do you see that massive rock rising from the water? That's actually an island, just a few meters from Turtle Garden. It's called Cathedral Island, and I can tell you, it hides a fairly large cave inside. In just a little while, we'll make our way over there to explore it. We're slowly making our way toward Cathedral Island and its cave. You can't actually go inside on foot, but it's still accessible from the boat. We'll get as close as possible to admire it from the water. Cathedral Cave name comes from the cave's vast interior and towering rock formations that resemble the high ceilings of a cathedral, stalactites and stalagmites that have formed over thousands of years. Boats often stop here so you can admire its scale from the water. Turquoise water laps at the entrance, but swimming inside isn't recommended, as this area is known to be home to venomous sea snakes. Still, just seeing the dramatic limestone facade and imagining what lies within makes this spot unforgettable. Friends, that was everything from Tour B. I can't really say which tour was better. Each had its own unique highlights. Both were truly excellent. Now we're back at Karang Karang, enjoying our usual stroll along the beach as the sun sets. This is an incredible way to end such a beautiful day here in El Nido. Just to end the day the right way, after the sunset, we found a cozy little restaurant right on the beach with an amazing vibe. Let's enjoy some food, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.